But why would the school assign me to do computer work without giving me access to the school computer?
Well, I don't know, maybe they were giving you access some other, I can't answer that. There's no form to put you up for the summer because the form is not going to be signed. We're not giving you access.
Why can't I have access to a computer if I'm doing computer work?
I don't know what computer work you were assigned to do.
You were calling other departments because you wanted to hear, yes, we can do it. And every person that told you that that was not going to be the case, you called the next person.
You didn't talk to your building administration, which would have been the most direct path for communication here.
You are not communicating with your building leadership. You're going around them, Steve. I don't know how you can't see that. You are going around them. People don't know who Steve Berkowitz is. You are not to make any phone calls. You're not speaking to anyone. You will not have computer access. That is not changed. You are not to contact anyone at BLC to tell them your new assignment. We're severing all ties from everybody in Eastern Suffolk BOCES. We've really gone out on a limb, Steve.
You have not acknowledged us at all year. Unless we've asked you something very specific, something that to do with work, you have acknowledged us.
If I address you about work, if I ask you to do something, you have a conversation with me. If I need help with something with technology, you do it. You were not, there was no rating or comment or anything that you do not do your work.
The word collaborate is complicated. You really support the program in a lot of different ways. I don't know that that's actually collaborating.
Nicole can be a bit stubborn sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
That's who she is. Her reaction is to put you in a classroom that is more difficult,
Right.
rather than reward you by putting you in a classroom which is like the Cadillac of the program.
It's inappropriate for you to continue to reference the same complaints that have already been investigated.
You transported it should read former student. It was not a current student.
I'm aware that it was not a current student.
So could that be corrected?
Well, there really is no reason to correct that.
I don't know why you guys are digging in on saying former student as opposed to student. Simply clarifies what happened.
All right, so this meeting is actually not to discuss last year's meetings
Right.
or the memo.
People don't know who Steve Berkowitz is. People don't know who Steve Berkowitz is.